In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi networks not showing on your Dell laptop. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Click the network icon on the taskbar and confirm it's enabled. Next, restart your laptop. This often fixes temporary glitches. If the issue continues, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet, then select Wi-Fi and ensure it's turned on. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings and click Network Reset to refresh all connections. If networks are still missing, check your Wi-Fi driver. Right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, then right-click your Wi-Fi driver and select Update Driver. That's it. These steps should help restore missing Wi-Fi networks on your Dell laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.